Okay, we just finished to install this one called night lock. Okay, we have to make some drilling and cutting here, so it's gonna be perfect going to the hole. So this is how it goes. You slide this one in and right on the spot, nobody can open it. Remove it. There is other 2 screws from outside. Yes, coming from here to here all the way. So it's gonna be strong and tight. During the day, you take in this piece and you just put it over here. Okay, just put it over here and that's it. When you lock it, when you want to lock it, when you're leaving, just take this one, slide it here all the way, that's it.